Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have one very interesting quartic equation which will be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started. Here we have 5, which is 1 less than twice of 3. Here we have 7, which is 1 less than twice of 4. Here we have 11, which is 1 less than twice of 6. And here we have 23, which is 1 less than twice of 12. So we can split minus 5. 3x minus 5 can be written as minus 6 plus 1. We have 4x minus 7, which will write 4x minus 8 plus 1. 6x minus 11 can be written as 6x minus 12 plus 1. 12x minus 23 can be written as 12x minus 24 plus 1 equal to 5. Now we can take 3 common from these two, 4 common from these two, 6 common from these two, 12 common from these two terms. We will get 3 times x minus 2 plus 1. Then we'll write 4 times x minus 2 plus 1. Then we'll have 6 times x minus 2 plus 1. And then we'll write 12 times x minus 2 plus 1 equal to 5. Now our substitution is obvious. X minus 2 suppose equal to u. So our equation will become in variable u. We will write 3u plus 1 times 4u plus 1 times 6u plus 1 times 12u plus 1 equal to 5. Now we have coefficient 12. Coefficient of u is 12 here. Here we have 6. So I need to multiply this bracket by 2 to get the same coefficient. Here we have 4. We need to multiply this whole bracket by 3 to get same coefficient. And similarly we have 3 here. We will multiply over here by 4. So in right hand side we need to multiply by 4 times 3 times 2, which is 24. Now we will write our equation 12u plus 4 times 12u plus 3 times 12u plus 2 times 12u plus 1 equal to 5 times 24, 120. Now we can assume 12u equal to suppose m. So I will write here our second substitution. 12u is suppose m. So our equation will become m plus 4 times m plus 3 times m plus 2 times m plus 1 equal to 120. Now we will club first and last bracket all together. So let me write here m plus 1 times m plus 4. Then we'll write m plus 2 times m plus 3. Right hand side is 120. Now we have to multiply these two brackets and these two brackets. We will get m square plus 4m plus 1m plus 5m plus 1 times 4 is 4. Here we'll get m square plus 3m plus 2m plus 5m. 2 times 3 is 6 equal to 120. Now m square plus 5m is same in both the brackets. Here we have constant 4. Here we have constant 6. If we will find average of both the numbers, then it is 5. So we can write 4 as 5 minus 1 and we can write 6 as 5 plus 1. So our equation will become m square plus 5m plus 5 minus 1. In second bracket, we will write m square plus 5m plus 5 plus 1 equal to 120. Now, if I will consider this is a, then here we have a minus 1 times a plus 1. So let us assume m square plus 5m plus 5 equal to a. Then we can write a minus 1 times a plus 1 equal to 120. Now we can use difference of two squares identity here. A minus b times a plus b is a square minus b square. So I can write here a square minus 1 square equal to 120, or a square minus 1 equal to 120. By adding 1 both sides, we'll get a square value 121, which we know is square of 11. So equation is a square equal to 11 square. We'll take square root both sides and get a equal to plus minus 11. A is our substitution. M square plus 5m plus 5 is a. So we will write m square plus 5m plus 5 equal to plus minus 11. So we can write two equations from here. One with plus 11, another with minus 11. Let's write m square plus 5m plus 5 equal to plus 11. Then we'll write m square plus 5m plus 5 equal to negative 11. We'll write all the terms to one side. So m square plus 5m, 5 minus 11 minus 6 equal to 0. And here we'll get m square plus 5m, 5 plus 11, 16 equal to 0. Now we'll find discriminant of second quadratic equation. We want to check whether we are going to get real solutions or not. So d will be equal to b square minus 4ac as per formula. Here b is coefficient of m, which is 5. So 5 square minus 4 times 1 times 16 will be equal to 25 minus 64 will be equal to minus 39. Once discriminant is negative, we are going to get complex solutions. So we can reject this quadratic equation. So we have m square plus 5m minus 6 equal to 0, the only quadratic equation which can provide real solutions. So let us solve this quadratic. M square 5m can be written as 6m minus m. Then we have minus 6 equal to 0. From first two terms, m is common. We will write m plus 6. From next two terms, we will take minus 1 common and get m plus 6 equal to 0. After taking m plus 6 overall common, then we'll get m minus 1 in second bracket, which will be equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we are going to get m equal to 1 and m equal to minus 6. Now m was our substitution 12u. Let me write here m equal to 1, m equal to minus 6. So in place of m, we'll write 12u. equal to 1 minus 6. Now we will divide both sides by 12. So let us divide by 12 here and let us divide by 12 here. We will cancel 12, 12, we will get 1 over here. So u will become 1 over 12 and minus 6 over 12 is minus half. Now u was x minus 2. So in place of u, we can write x minus 2. This will be equal to 1 over 12 minus 1 over 2. Now to find the value of x, we do not want this minus 2. So we have to add 2 to both sides. Plus 2, and here also we will write plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 will get over. We will get x equal to 2 plus 1 over 12 will become 24 plus 1 is 25 over 12. And 2 minus 1 over 2 will become 4 minus 1, which is 3. Denominator will be 2. So we have two real values of x which will satisfy our equation. So first real solution is x1, that is 3 over 2, and second real solution would be x2, which is 25 over 12. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.